Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Honeybook, Quickbooks and Pixieset. Honeybook, Quickbooks and Pixieset cater to different needs, making them better suited for specific uses. Honeybook is a client management tool designed for freelancers, creative professionals and small businesses. It helps with invoicing, contracts, proposals and automation, making it easier to manage client relationships from start to finish. Quickbooks is a well-known accounting software that tracks expenses, manages invoices, generates reports, and helps with tax preparations. It's ideal for businesses that need detailed financial management and bookkeeping. Pixieset is a built for photographers, offering tools for online galleries, client proving, and print sales. It also includes website building features, making it a great choice for photography businesses looking to sell and showcase their work online. If you need an all-in-one client management system, Honeybook is a great choice. For handling business finances, Quickbook is the best option. If you're a photographer looking for professional gallery management, Pixieset is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.